Imagine you are filling a bucket, but the bucket has tiny holes on it. So, no matter how long you fill it or how carefully you fill it, some of it keeps slipping away. For farmers, nitrogen fertilizer can feel like that. Nitrogen helps corn grow tall, green, and productive, but it is also expensive. In US corn production, fertilizer can make up about 40% of operating cost, and making nitrogen fertilizer takes about 2% of global energy use. So when nitrogen escapes from the soil, it is not just a soil problem. It is money leaking from farms, it is energy leaking from the food system, and this can add pressure to our water and air. I grew up in a farming family, so I know that every bag of fertilizer matters. So my research asks one simple question: what if corn could help slow that leak? That is the idea behind NSAID corn, or nitrogen saving corn. Here is what happens underground. After fertilizer enters the soil, microbes can change nitrogen into a form that moves easily with water. Once that happens, nitrogen can wash below the roots, move toward waterways, or escape into the air. Think of the root zone like a busy underground neighborhood. In a regular con, some microbial traffic moves too fast, like cars rushing through when there are no stoplights. And SIP con may act more like a traffic signal. It does not shut the neighborhood down, it simply slows key microbial steps so that more nitrogen stay near the roots for longer. In our taste, NSAID con reduce nitrification, which is the step that makes nitrogen easier to lose by about 40%. And just as important, the tasted plants maintained yield. Maintaining yield matters because farmers need tools that protect both the environment and the harvest. Now, imagine this across more than 95 million acres of corn in the United States. Even a small improvement in how corn holds nitrogen could become a big improvement for farmers, and farming communities. With this project, we hope that one day applying nitrogen does not feel like filling a leaky bucket. More, it feels like feeding a crop that knows how to hold on to what it needs.